And as you can tell, so we're feeling, and I'm feeling for that symmetry from the right side to the left side. Just feeling a little bit of mild tenderness throughout that right side. Feeling how her shoulder blades are coming out. So even like you can tell just by looking at her scapula, you see this, her right side is protruding a lot further than her left. So little things like this are what I look for and what I notice. So granted, this may be more of a muscular thing, you know, that we're getting a little bit of, you know, that protrusion out here more on that right compared to the left. So little things like that are what I'm looking for.